Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing okay. I have got one of 3 Lookfantastic new beauty limited edition beauty boxes, and this is the You Deserve It edit. This retails for £35. It has a value of £125. It contains 7 beauty products, 3 of which are full size. And alongside this one, they've brought out the BRIDESMAID edit, which has a value of £105 and can be bought for £40. And then you've got the Just Because edit, which has a value of £140 and can be bought for £35. If you're interested in this one or you want to take a look at the others, then as always you'll see a link to it down below in my description, and down there you see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So let's get on showing you then what's inside. As always, whenever websites release more than one box, I always find it really hard to choose which one I wanted. It was between this one and the Just Because one, but I thought I'd go with this one and I can't remember why now. Maybe when I see the products it'll ring a bell. But yeah, good to see some boxes at around the £30 odd mark. Bit of a sneak peek. That's all you can see really is the worms, isn't it? They're all buried in there. Oh. Right, hold on, let's get rid of that. Oh yes, I know why I wanted it now. Starting off, we've got, I've seen this many times, but I've never said it out loud. Effin. Or is it EFFN? Maybe one of you can tell me what it is. But this is a fake tan. I would say effin. But yeah, this is a fake tan. I love the packaging. Feels really nice. This is a fragrance-free tanning foam, medium to dark, perfect, and this is 50 mils here. I had been eyeing this up on the Lookfantastic website, so I'm really chuffed that I get to try it. I love fake tan going into the summer months, and yeah, this is a really nice size actually. Maybe use it as a top up, but I must try it first to see if I actually like it. It doesn't really say anything about it, but yeah, like the fact that it's fragrance free and medium to dark. Even though I'm super pale, I like to go as dark as possible because I fade really fast as well. So we got that. And then another one as well, Elemis. Even though this smells of English rose quite strongly, I still really like it. It's a moisturiser and it's the Pro Collagen Marine Rosemarine Cream, Anti-Wrinkle Hydrating Day Cream, and it's 15 mils. So I love the Pro Collagen range, and yeah, the only products from the Rose range I wouldn't use is like body lotions and shower gels, but I'd use anything else. Yeah, just apply to your face as normal. So there's that. Then we've got Augustinus Bader, the sunscreen SPF 50 with TFC 8 and the 7 mils there. So a very pricey brand, but a little mini. To try it, see if you like it. I actually had one of these recently in another box, I can't remember now. So I've got 2, so that's handy. So there's that. Then I've got a comb. And this is a Lookfantastic hair comb. I like that. I shall. Yeah, I like that. Nice for detangling my extremely frizzy and knotty hair at the minute. Yep. Then we got Kiehl Milano, and this is Unlimited Blush in, I think it's 09, or is it called Unlimited? I'll get it out and have a look. Ooh, it's gone. So we've got a mirror there, and that's the colour. Ooh, it's pretty, isn't it? Let's see what that's like. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, that's really pretty. A rosy pink. I do like a rose, but more of a coral rose. It's an illuminating blush. That is pretty, but I don't think it's going to be one I would wear actually. No, I don't think so. Then we've got Makeup Forever. This is Super Boost Moisturising Plumping Effect Lip Gloss in Wherever Walnut. It looks like. Let's try it down there. When I first saw it on the applicator there, I was like, oof, no, it's not a colour I'd normally go for. But it's a gloss, and that is exactly a colour I would wear. Let's try my lips now. That is pretty. I like it. Yeah, I really like it. I'm wearing Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury underneath. Oh, yeah, I can feel that something's going on now. Oh, it has a faint taste of perfume. I don't understand. I like that. It is quite goopy. So I think I would only wear it when my hair's up like this, out of the way. And it has got like a strange sort of perfume taste. It's not horrible, and it's very, very subtle. When you can taste a smell, that type of thing. I like it anyway. Yeah, happy with that. I can feel like a tingling in my mouth. It's not horrible at all. It's not like some of the other like lip filler, not lip fillers, like deep heat type lip plumpers, you know. Oh yeah, I haven't updated you with my lip filler. Well, I had lip filler about 2.5 months ago, and I can't tell the difference at all. So before I tell you about my lip filler, I've got the Beauty Crop here, and this is Cherie Mini Fix Hydrating Setting Mist. I just get the packaging off. I've never had lip filler before, never had any filler before. Always a little bit scared of it, but you know what? I'm getting older, and I'm like, Jill, what have I got to lose? If I don't like it, it'll disappear, or I can get it dissolved. It's not permanent, so I thought, stuff it, I'll go for it. I fancy doing my lips. And I only had 0.6 or 0.7 mils. My lips swelled a little bit initially, not much at all. I was expecting to have massive lips, which I thought would be quite funny for a few days, but no, I never experienced that. It went down the next day, and then the bruising came out. The bruising lasted for nearly 2 weeks. I had quite a lot of bruising. There's not much difference at all. I didn't want to go too scared of it looking stupid. But then I don't fancy going back and paying another £165, I think it was, to have more in. Not yet anyway, I might do it next year or so, but yeah, I'm not that fussed about it. I honestly can't tell a difference. So anyway, let's get on to the last item in the box. I have to make sure then. And yeah, this is the Hydrating Setting Mist, enriched with cherry extracts, hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. Suitable for all skin types, and as I said, there's 75 mils there. Look how cute that is. It is so nice, isn't it? I have to shake well before using it. I'm sure I've had this in another box, but I haven't used it yet. Oh, really nice fine mist. And it smells of cherries. Oh my gosh, that's so nice. That is so nice, it does. Very subtle smell of cherries. Hyaluronic acid, cherry extract, aloe vera. It's a hydrating setting mist. I love that. And I can still smell the cherries. There you go, 7 products in the You Deserve It edit. You've got a setting spray, got a blush, got a tinted lip gloss, got a comb, you've got a moisturising cream, got a fake tan foam, and you got an SPF cream. Has a value of £125 and can be bought for £35. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Are you going to get one, or are you going to get one of the others? I'd love to know, so please comment down below. Or are you thinking, do you know what? No, I'm not into it this time. Regardless, I'd love to hear that. Yeah, I think there's some nice products in there. Some I'm going to keep, some I'm going to pass on. I wanted to get one of them to share with you, and yeah, I'm glad I got this one. I particularly like this. It's very pretty. So take care. Bye.